What do you think, Floss? Digger's here, starting the build. Yeah. Do you love it, Beth?
Yeah, even though I feel like shit with COVID. Hey, Monk.
Yeah, you?
COVID shit.
I know. Right, we're here with Glyn, the ground worker, and he's been doing a great job so far. So how are things going, Glyn?
Very well.
Good. And how many tons do you think we've moved off site?
Well, we haven't moved nothing off site. We've moved 1,500 tonne down over the hill, over the slope.
And what have been the biggest challenges on this site so far?
Well, the site was quite steep to start off with. We had tree stumps everywhere, so the first job was to make it safe to work and also to remove the tree stumps and the rubbish that was on our working area.
And do you like these kind of jobs, Glyn?
Yeah, they're challenging.
Good. So what's left to do now?
What's left to do now, we've got to pack out some of that hard ground that's standing behind you, get that down another 150 mil, and then that should almost be ready for the slab to be laid. And
site safety, Glyn?
Well, as you can see, we've took away part of the road, so we've had to put up pins and bundle tape up there to stop anybody going through. We've got signs on the gate saying it's a site and site working here. So you just got to be aware when you come on site that it is a site. And obviously there's quite a big drop behind you.
And tell us a bit about your machine and the tracks here, Glyn. Why do you need metal tracks?
Because rubber tracks just chew up on the stone and you won't get enough grip, enough traction.
And what's happening on the 1st of April with fuel?
Ah, that's expensive. We're not going to use DER for white fuel from now on in April. So since tomorrow will be my last day, I shall be putting white diesel in tomorrow and draining my tanks. So for you to be paying me a little bit extra.
Yeah, exactly.
And we all end up paying a bit extra.
Yeah, exactly. It goes up through the chain, doesn't it?
Yeah. Is it right? Yeah. Right, then we'll go that corner again.
That's bang on, that is.
There is so much rock here, as you can see in the pictures. So it's very, very difficult to take off just a few inches because pieces like this are very difficult to remove just a few inches.
We've achieved a lot. We've done the more or less down to the bottom of the slab. So what is it next week?
Well, next week I'm drilling corn.
Yeah, drilling, planting barley.
Yeah, I've had him corn in the ground. Yeah, well, I'll be on ploughing and that next week. Then the week after I'll be drilling corn. Going to get the engineer market out and then we're away again.
Perfect.
You know,
I can't wait.
no, be right.
Thank you very much, Glyn.
That's
You're doing
all
a
right.
great job.
Yeah.
Any Beth?
He has indeed,
Yeah,
as always.
we got there.
We did.
Yeah.
Thank you